y'all, it's V, and this is the Millennium Falcon. That's right, we flew to Orlando on Virgin's Millennium Falcon, or just the Falcon. This is a bit of an unusual travel day. We didn't film in the morning. We were up at 2:30 a.m. We had to go to the park and ride and catch the airport bus. We got there just in time for the bus, so it was very rushed. Our first flight was from Edinburgh to Manchester, and it was very, very bumpy. We were having a windstorm that day. Trust me, you do not want to see me clutching onto the seat in front of me. I'm not the best flyer. I'm okay, but really bad turbulence gets to me. And that one got to me. So we got to Manchester. We flew Virgin to Orlando. I'd heard a lot about the bubble with Virgin, so I upgraded to an upstairs seat in economy, and I was amazed. There was a lot of room. The food was good, and there are these little cupboards beside your seat if you're at the window. Those are genius. Every plane should have those, honestly. Once we landed in Orlando, we took the magical shuttle to the Coronado Springs Resort. The magical shuttle took a while. We had to wait quite a long time to get on one. But once we did, we were ready to be at our hotel. Then we picked up our Magicbands. I picked a Figment one out, and Steve picked out one that had trains and Walt Disney on it. We ordered these quite some months ago. I'd forgotten completely what we'd ordered. But I loved my Figment band. With the dining plan, we got our refillable mugs. And they only really had two options. Will you turn them around? One of them is Mickey and Minnie, and that one is just kind of a little bit of everything. I quite like the everything one, and I don't like the Mickey and Minnie. They're not resort specific or anything like that, but they're cute and they get the job done. I have a few of these at home and I love them. The room was beautiful. The entire resort was absolutely stunning. So you use your Magicband to touch the door. Heavy door. And then please ignore all of our stuff in the room. But here is basically our room. Say hi, Steve.
Cool.
Two really big, comfortable beds. Very comfy. And look at the Mickey towel. You've got a coffee maker, a fridge underneath there, ice bucket, gorgeous lounge fly bags. They don't come with the room. Big TV. Steve, you gonna show him your plugs? Steve was impressed with the number of plugs, USB ports. USB ports.
Yeah.
And this thing here, what is that? Surge protector.
Oh, normally we have that for plugging in.
Say that again. Normally we'd have that.
Yeah.
But we don't need it.
Oh yeah, I know, because you've got this plug straight into the...
We've got plugs there.
Yeah.
Plugs there. There are plenty of plugs in the bathroom too. So like hair straighteners, the hair dryer that they provide. I love these doors. How gorgeous are they? Hi. And then two sinks. A large wardrobe with a lot of clothes in it. And then plenty of room for all of your stuff that you bring to look gorgeous. And a bath over the shower.